Hello, first graders. This will be week 1, day 2 of our blue packet. So remember, we have our blue My Home Learning packet. We are on week 1, day 2, and I am going to start with our math instruction. Okay? So, as we open it up, we've already done these pages. Maybe you ripped them out. That is totally okay. However, it helps keep you organized. It is okay with me. Just make sure you're holding on to these pages so that you can turn them in for our next pickup drop-off, okay? So our first math page today is subtraction to 20. So yesterday we did addition to 20, now we're doing subtraction to 20, okay? So we have ice cream cones. Take a look at it. The directions say, cut and paste the scoop that matches the difference on the cone. Now, these ice cream cones, if you take a look, each have a number. Now, if it says 13, I want to find the answer that is 13. So I'll have to go over to the right, find what is 13. Well, I know that if I did 12 times 2, 12 minus 2, that is 10. So I have to find which number sentence here equals 13. So it's 15 minus 2 equals 13. I would go ahead, cut that out, and I would paste it on the 13 cone. Okay? Now, boys and girls, if subtraction is something that is a difficult skill for you, I have something you could try to do to help yourself out. Alright? So, what we could do, if we wanted to figure out 10, since I already said 12 minus 2 is 10, we can do that one. But you could go ahead, draw yourself a picture. We could draw 12 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, because we start with 12. So 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we have 12 dots because we start with 12. Now I want to subtract 2. So I'm going to take away 2 of those dots. I'm going to put 2 X's, taking away those dots. Now how many dots do I have left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So my answer is 10. Now I go ahead, cut out this square with 12 minus 2, and I'd paste it on my cone. Okay, I think you guys will do excellent with this subtraction, so I am going to go on to our next page, okay? Now we are dealing with fractions again, okay, boys and girls? Fractions. Fourths and halves. Now, fourths means 4, okay? Fourths means 4. Halves means 2. We'll have 4 equal parts for fourths, and we'll have 2 equal parts for halves. Now it says directions. Color each shape to represent the fraction shown. Okay? So this says 1/4. 1 of 4 pieces, remember? So we know we have 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces that make up our entire whole, and we want to color 1 out of 4 pieces. So go ahead, find 1 piece and color it. So I would color this blue, and now I have colored 1/4 of the whole object, okay, of the whole square. Same thing for halves, okay? Now it says if it's 1/2, so a half, it says color 1 out of 2 pieces. Well, 1, 2 pieces, we want to color 1 out of 2, so you color 1 piece, okay? Now, this top number tells you how many pieces you will be coloring, alright? So, pay attention to that. Our numerator is the top number, the number on the top, and that's telling us how many pieces we're coloring. Now, the number on the bottom, remember, is our denominator, and that's how many total pieces we have. So I colored 1 out of 4 total pieces. I colored 1 out of 2 total pieces. Now, we haven't seen something like this before, so this might be a little bit challenging. It says 3/4. Remember, that top number tells us how many pieces we want to color out of our total amount of pieces. So if we have 4 total pieces, it's telling us we want to color 3 out of those 4 pieces. So I color 1, 2, 3. And now I have officially colored 3/4 of that circle. Okay, boys and girls, I think you'll do excellent on this. Give it your best effort. If you have any questions, let me know, and I'll be sure to answer it for you. But that does it for our math instruction. I'd like you guys to try the rest on your own.